Welcome to the deep dive. So our mission here is to walk you through integrating your Wix bookings with your Apple Calendar.
Imagine that yoga teacher balancing classes and, say, a doctor's appointment, all in one view. It's about making sure clients see the real availability.
Keeps everything accurate. Okay, let's dive in. Quick heads up first, though. You do need a premium site plan on Wix to sync personal calendars.
Right. That's important. It's often a feature for those higher tier plans because of the integration involved.
Makes sense. Okay, so first step, head to the booking calendar in your site's dashboard. Once you're there, look top left, you'll see a More Actions icon. Go ahead and click that.
Okay, More Actions. Got it.
From the menu that pops up, you're going to select Sync Personal Calendar.
Right there.
And then, pretty straightforward, click Sync right next to where it says Apple Calendar.
Okay, Sync Apple Calendar.
Now, here's a really key part, kind of a security thing. Apple needs an app-specific password here.
Yeah, not your normal iCloud password. This is different.
Why is that different? Why do they do that?
Well, think of it like a special key just for this one connection, just for Wix to talk to your calendar. It doesn't give access to everything else in your iCloud, like photos or mail.
Ah, okay, so it's more secure.
Exactly. So you'll either click Generate @specific password. Wix will guide you to Apple's site to do that. Then you copy it.
Copy it back into Wix.
Yep, paste it in Wix. Or if you've done this before for another app, you might click, I already have one.
Got it. So once you've pasted that special password in.
Click Sync again.
Okay. And now we get to customize things, right?
Yeah, the preferences. You'll see a toggle for Import Apple Calendar events.
So for our yoga studio owner, turning this on means what exactly?
It means if you put like dentist appointment in your Apple Calendar,
Okay.
that time slot automatically gets blocked off in your Wix Bookings calendar. So no student can book a class then.
Super useful. Prevents those clashes.
Totally. And you could even choose show imported events as busy.
Oh, so your staff or collaborators just see you're unavailable, but not why.
Exactly. Keeps your personal details private if you want.
Nice. And what about the other way around? Getting bookings into the Apple Calendar.
That's the Export Booking Calendar events toggle. Turn that on, and all your confirmed yoga classes, your booked sessions, even time you've manually blocked in Wix.
It all shows up on your iPhone calendar or Mac calendar.
Precisely. It gives you that complete picture of your day, personal, and work all in one spot. Wix basically pushes that booking info to Apple Calendar. Then click Save.
Okay, click Save, and then...
After it syncs, you should see those personal events blocking time in Wix and your Wix bookings appearing in your Apple Calendar. It really does streamline things.
Makes planning so much easier, I bet.
Definitely. Avoids confusion, builds that client trust because your availability is actually correct.
No, sometimes things hiccup, right? What if you see a sync failed message?
Yeah, that can happen. The main thing is patience. It can take a few minutes. Don't navigate away or hit refresh while it says it's syncing.
Just let it do its thing.
Right. And one other small thing. All-day events from Apple Calendar usually don't block time in Wix bookings. Just something to keep in mind.
Good tip. So, schedule specific times if you need them blocked.
Exactly.
Okay, well, that seems pretty straightforward once you walk through it.
It really is.
And that's it. With those steps, your Wix bookings and your Apple Calendar should be playing very nicely together. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and if you do need more details or run into anything else, definitely explore the Wix Help Center. There's always more tips and guidance there to help you work smarter.